bevy of the testers. Today we'll be testing out Finishing Touch Lumina
Bang
and Lighted Hoverball. Before we get into it,
bang.
We're gonna say happy birthday to Gabriel C, aka Music.
Big happy birthday. Show him some love, guys. Go subscribe to his channel. We're glad you're a fan, Gabriel. Alright, so if you've seen our other review on the Luma Touch, it was a different shaver. This is, I guess, the compact version. So it comes with a brush, little squiggly brush, and it comes with two heads. Okay, I guess for different lengths. Now this side has a 4mm and a 2cm side, and this one is a 6. So various lengths, I guess. Okay, so it also comes with a nice little cap. Ooh.
Oh.
Nobody knows what it is.
Oh.
Is it a pen? Is it mascara? Is it lipstick?
No. Oh my god!
It's Finishing Touch Lumina. Woo!
It has a light. Oh my god, it's so amazing.
Now, if you can see the light, guys. All right.
I'll do it.
Why do you always want to shave me?
Because I did last time.
Okay, guys. So we're gonna try it on this little hair here. Hold on. Let's.
Make it even.
That doesn't look too even, John.
You don't know what even is.
Here, do that.
Yeah.
Right here. Do that part.
No.
Okay. So.
I have to make it even.
It seems to work on fine hairs.
I'm gonna try it myself. I have no hair.
Here you go, guys.
Wait.
There's the hair. Ooh, yuck.
Wait.
Yuck.
Let's see if I have hair.
John.
What?
Alright, so let's test this now.
It tickles.
Here, let me test it.
I don't have any.
We're gonna test it. Right. Oh boy, this is gonna suck. Alright, there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's getting it.
It's getting what?
Ow!
Yeah, I can see.
Better? I think so.
Let me see.
Alright, guys.
Let me see it.
So, pretty much. No!
Yeah,
No!
I was getting his eyebrows.
No. Alright, guys. So, pretty much it does work on fine hair. Does work on eyebrow hair.
Just tickles.
Let's take a quick look and see if it works on rough hair. Oh, no.
I'll do it.
No.
Let me do it.
Ow!
What?
It pulled.
It did? I mean, it shortens it. I see, like, wait, what? It does it really slowly. It comes into, like, particles.
Alright, that's enough.
Well, now he's got, like, a little shade.
Alright, guys, so it really didn't do much on that. So, it's basically a woman's product. It does work. So, don't do that. It does come with a battery. Now, I did switch out the battery because the battery it came with was not good. So, it did work better with the new battery.
Let's try this.
Now, guys, don't forget, we do have our giveaway coming up on Friday, March 17th. Make sure you submit your answers, subscribe, like, and, of course, be active. Alright, guys, so let's test out this product. This product is the Lighted Hoverball. I'm going to give the Lumina, the Finishing Touch Lumina, a thumbs up. It did work on fine hair, so they do advertise it for women, not for men. So
But we're here to test it for you guys, so.
It did work. So let's go test this babe. Alright, guys, sorry for the low light, but we did want to show you
The light.
that this does light up. So it's pretty cool.
Light in here, guys.
You can see that. See the
turn off
illuminating. Oh, there it just went off. Once you hit it, it does light up. Okay, so now we can turn the light back on.
Bye! Hey!
Welcome back.
Whoa.
All right, guys. So pretty much, it's a half of a ball with a slippery surface.
There we go. There we go, guys.
And here, stand over there, John.
Meg.
Half a soccer ball. And so far,
Bye-bye.
it seems to be gliding pretty well.
Get out of here. I'm Meg
Hey.
again. I had some experience when I was a baby with soccer. Let's go. Let's have a little match.
All right, let's go ahead. Kick it from over there.
Where's your goal?
Just kick it. Okay.
God dang it. Right.
All right. Well, that seems to work.
Well, let's do another round because that was not fair.
All right, we'll do one more. Right to me. Oh.
Boy! What's that?
Okay.
That was not my goal! I'm gonna play with this.
All right, guys.
I'll play with it.
So,
I'm gonna play with it.
it is soft. It does.
Yeah, the top of it's soft, the
I
bottom
don't
is
think
like, ow.
it'll break anything. It's sort of like a hard foam. Pretty cool. It's good when you're trapped indoors, have nothing to do, and you're not allowed to play ball in the house. Technically, it's only half a ball, so they can't get in trouble. All right, guys. Once again, happy birthday to Gabriel. Keep sending in your answers to the giveaway. Subscribe, like, and we'll see you guys next time.
Don't forget to follow me on Musical.ly. My account is The Testers, and on Roblox is WolfBoy11. Guys, tomorrow I have created a VIP server, so tomorrow you guys can join me in Murder Mystery 2 and Roblox, and play with me at 6:30 exact. I'll be there, and my server name is The Fun Zone.
All right, guys.
Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thanks for watching.